Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. What up, New York and LA? I got something to say. And it goes a little something like this. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, baby. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, baby. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Put the shit down, long and strong like a big black ding dong. King Kong, they got shit on me, you see. I'm the type of nigga I will build to last. If you fuck with me, I'll put my foot up your rabbit ass, bitch. I'm on the ass. And that's a fact, and all these bitches say I'm where it's at. Can you get to that, motherfucker? Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. No person can become the president by themselves, bitch. It took a lot of people like you and me to put a man in the White House, bitch. And no man can walk alone, bitch. It takes more than one man to build a home. And no man can build a path alone by himself. It took a lot of trespassing in the woods. You might own the stable, but others bring the goods, bitch. Yeah, Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Pull out your gat, pull out your sack, and let's smoke before it be another fucking homicide, bitch. Fuck you in your Cadillac. I'm on the app, cause I own the act, and that's a fact, and all the bitches say I'm where it's at. I'm a Chevy man, understand, bitch? I'm riding around in a 2050 Impala. Yelling to all of you niggas at Rockefeller, from New York to South Central LA, hey. Yeah, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Representing Fairfield, North Kakalaki, bitch. And Lumberton, North Kakalaki. Putting down long and strong, bitch. I'm representing this motherfucker hard, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. I might be getting old, but I still have dreams. And that don't mean I'm gonna fill out for a little ice cream, bitch. These young ass motherfuckers say the old man can't rap, but that's bullshit, and that's crap. When I think what I got to say, I'ma set you motherfuckers down today. Cause Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Yeah, I'm on the act, and that's a fact, and all the bitches say I'm where it's at, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. What? Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. What to? Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. I'm the type of nigga I was built to last, and if it fuck with me, I put my boot up your rabbit ass, bitch. I'm on the act, and that's a fact. And all these bitches say, I'm where it's at. How can you get to that motherfucker? Bitch, because baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone. Bitch. No person can become the president by themselves. It took a lot of people like me and you to put a man in the White House. And no man can walk alone. It takes more than one man to build a home. And no man can build a path alone by himself. It took a lot of trespassing in the woods, bitch. You might own stable, but other brains are good. Pull out your gap, pull out your sack and let's smoke, bitch, before it be another motherfucking homicide. Fuck you in your Cadillac. I'm on this act, cause I'm a Chevy man, understand, bitch. I'm riding around in a 2006 Impala, yelling to all of you niggas at Rockefeller, from New York to South Central LA, hey, hey. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Yeah, I'm representing the bill in the tongue. North Kakalaki, there be a Lumberton, North Kakalaki. Where you at? Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. New York, bitch. Where you at? Yeah, yeah. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. LA, where you at? Bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. I'm on the act, and that's a fact. And on the bitches say, I'm where it's at. Can you get to that motherfucker? Cause Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. No man can walk alone. It takes more than one man to build a home, and no man can build a path alone by himself. It took a lot of trespassing in the woods. You might own the stable, but others brains the good. Pull out your gap, pull out your sack and let's smoke, motherfucker, before it be another motherfucking homicide. Fuck you in your Cadillac. I'm on the act cause I'm a Chevy man. Understand, bitch, riding around in a 2006 Impala, bitch. And I'm yelling to all you motherfucking niggas that rock your fellas. From South Central to New York, from New York to South Central LA, hey, hey. Baby Garrett on the motherfucking microphone, bitch. Baby Garrett